Hi, kids. Welcome to Sea Animals Adventure. Today, we will be looking for sea creatures in the water. Are you ready to help? Let's see what's under the sand. Whoa! It's a red crab. Can you say red crab? Cool. I think it's a yellow shark. Can you say yellow shark? Here we go. It's a green turtle. Can you say green turtle? Ah, got it. It's a blue fish. Can you say blue fish? Oh, it's a clownfish. Can you say clownfish? Cool, it's a yellowfish. Can you say yellowfish? Here we go. It's a blue shark. Can you say blue shark? Wow, it's a gray dolphin. Can you say gray dolphin? Oh, it's just a rock. Let's throw it away. Also, just a shell. Let's throw it away as well. Here we go. A red starfish. Can you say red starfish? Cool, it's a white seal. Can you say white seal? Wow, it's an orange octopus. Can you say orange octopus? Cool, it's a stingray. Can you say stingray? Here we go. It's a hammerhead shark. Can you say hammerhead shark? Okay, kids, I think that's all of it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.